This one idea from the Bitcoin standard explains why the rich buy Bitcoin while everybody else stays broke, and most people never catch it. The Bitcoin standard by Safety Amos isn't just another crypto book. It's an economic blueprint for financial freedom. Amos explains how great civilization was built on sound money, money that couldn't be easily printed or manipulated. From gold coins in ancient empires to Bitcoin in digital era, he shows how stable currency creates stable societies. The book dives into how fiat money, paper currency backed by nothing, quietly destroys savings, time, and value. Inflation, he argues, is not just an economic issue, it's a moral one. It punishes discipline and rewards debt. Amos positions Bitcoin as the solution, a form of digital gold that's limited in supply, borderless, and immune to corruption. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about protecting your time, your work, and your freedom. What makes this book powerful is how it connects money to culture and behavior. When money loses value, so does integrity. But when money is sound, creativity, innovation, and accountability thrive. Whether you're into investing, philosophy, or independence, the Bitcoin standard challenges how you think about value, energy, and the future of wealth. The Bitcoin standard, Safety Amos, a must-read for anyone who wants to understand why focus, scarcity, and time are the new wealth. Get the book below from the link in the description.